Hello everyone, my name is Keerthana Kirupakaran. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. I belong to Building Technology and Construction Materials and Management Group. So I am here with all the YRS speakers. YRS stands for Young Researchers Symposium, which happened as a part of TLC2 workshop, that is Technologies for Low Carbon and Lean Construction at IIT Madras in January. So now we're going to talk to all the speakers that share their experience. We start with Mr. Arvind Vishwakarma. Mr. Arvind, please introduce yourself and please share your experience. How was it here being at TLC2 event as the Young Researchers Symposium?
So my name is Arvind. I am a research scholar at IIT Kanpur. So the experience here I am having, the first thing I want to say that the feedback I got after presenting my work. So and also the interaction with the faculty after the presentation. They are giving continuously feedback and motivation that okay, we can do a lot of good thing about work. That's one thing. Other thing is the welcome that this YRS team has welcomed us, like they are treating us very special actually. So it will feel good actually, and the arrangement was very good.
Yeah. Another question is, do you recommend this symposium for the next generation? What is your...
Yeah, definitely I will strongly recommend this thing. It is like the person who is just about to graduate, so sometimes they are having lot of question in their mind actually, what to do after their PhD actually. So here in the field of lean construction and low carbon related research, we are having person who are expertise are having lot of like expertise in the particular field. So we'll get lot of feedback about the thing. We can openly discuss that anything in our mind or any doubt we have in our mind to frankly with them. So they are providing constructive feedback actually, which will help us to plan our future journey actually. That's the best thing I got here actually after attending this thing. So I strongly recommend in the next year whoever will have chance to submit the thing, and if we get shortlisted, then they will come here, interact with the faculty, interact with the student. That will help them. That will help them that will help them strongly actually in terms of many things actually.
Thank you so much, Arvind. Now we'll move to Pitabash Sahu from Indian Institute of Science. Please share your experience. How was it at IIT Madras being participant as in YRS Symposium?
Thank you very much. So it was a amazing experience. It's thanks to IIT Madras and BTCM group. So we really glad to be here, and it is a perfect platform for both industries, academia, peoples, and foreign delegates. So we had an amazing experience here to during the about the research. We can able to explore a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ms. Sendamir Shankar from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Please share your experience.
Yeah, myself Sendamil Shankar from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. I am a final year PhD student in Department of Civil Engineering there. So this is my first experience in Young Researchers Symposium. I really had a wonderful experience connecting with like students from all over the world, like many international students also participated here, and had an opportunity to discuss with the professors of IITs as well as some of the other foreign universities, which helps us to think out of the box, like how we can enhance our research and everything. And we came to know about what our peers are working in lean construction as well as in low carbon technologies. So how they are working, what are the advancements are going on. So all these kind of things which should be done. So only we will be coming out of the stage fear while we are doing these kind of presentations. So this will be a good platform for the PhD research scholars who are going to defend their final viva, because I am also in that stage to defend the final viva. So this is like a practice session for me. So that will be very well useful for the upcoming future PhD scholars as well. So I will ask my friends or the upcoming PhD scholars of the final years to come and participate in the next upcoming YRS 2026 as well. And I especially thank the organizing team as well. They have wonderfully organized this event without any hassle and everything. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Hi, this is Anupama here. So she is actually our senior research scholar from IIT Madras. Anupama, you have been here as an organizer for YRS earlier. I want you to share your experience as a participant and what you have gained through this experience.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So, as a participant, I feel wonderful because this is a great platform to see the fellow researchers and interact with the pioneers of research. And my research, which is a bit different from others, which is on heritage structures and conservation, I find this is a very great platform to showcase what I have done through all these years. And it's very important that even though we are doing a lot of things in your research, it's very important, and the key aspect is how you communicate that research to the audience who might not know all the aspects of your research. So through the 15-minute presentation, if you can convey all those things, that is a very good experience. So in that case, it was a very nice exposure. And this time the organizing team did very well, and I thank all the masterminds behind it. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Anupama. Hi, so we have another senior research scholar with us, Ms. Bipina. So Bipina is also this year's Young Research Symposium award winner. She won Surender Pisha Award. Bipina, last year you were one of the main organizers for YRS Symposium. So this time you have won the title. And please share your experience being on the other side.
I feel really happy and proud to receive this award, and more than that, for me personally, like Keerthana ma'am mentioned, it was a journey from organizing the first YRS 2 years back. It was a great experience bringing everyone together, working towards technology for low carbon and lean construction. So we had a very successful YRS 2 years back. Then last year also I was fortunate to be part of the organizing team. And this year I could participate in this event. That itself was a great opportunity for me. And I would like to congratulate all the participants and thank you for making the effort to come here and participate in this event and to make it successful. And it's a great platform to network with other people, and also it gives an holistic experience. Like we all work on different aspects of TLC2. We work on material. There are people working on materials management side, different technologies, construction technology. So it actually brings all of us together to discuss and get a holistic aspect of this TLC2. So. And it's not only sharing your research with the fellow research scholars and the experts, it also gives the critical, you can get the critical comments and input from the veterans that's in the field. And it was a great experience. And I would really recommend the young researchers to look forward to the upcoming symposium. Come here and participate. It's a great opportunity for you. Thank you.